I always get 3 different estimates on the end value of every property I go and view. The reason why you do that is because most of the estate agents don't want your business just giving independent advice. The reason why I say this was because I went to view a property, and after viewing the property, I called the estate agent, told them that I'm interested in the property. The property is really based on my strategy, which is looking for rundown properties and bringing them back up to the market value, which is at a better value, so we can recycle our money and keep on going again. And we have enough profits to pay our investors and keep on going. And he said to me, yes, after this property is all done up, give or take 150K. I was like, okay, that's fine, which is nowhere near my numbers. I was like, bro, relax. Walked up the road, I saw another estate agent, and I walked in there and I asked them, listen, there's this property on this particular street. It's run down. When I do it up, what is the end value in this area? The guy goes, 125, 130 max, that's what you're looking at. I was like, very interesting, which is very close to the numbers I got. Then I said, thank you, I walked away. Went to a letting agent down the road, and I said to them exactly the same thing. Property down the street is really run down, it's bringing it back to the market value. What do you think what's the ceiling price in this area? It says give or take 125, 130K, which is really what I wanted to say, which is like mine. So just to let you know that estate agents will always inflate the price. We've got good estate agents out there, don't get me wrong. I know a couple of good estate agents who would just tell me, Prosper, we see you all the time. This is the prices what you're looking for. They just know. But so most estate agents are just like, so that's what tends to happen. So I've learned to always get free evaluations at the end of for every property number I want to place, because the numbers will always make or break a deal. Take care.